All right, let's talk about the Samsung 990 Pro 4TB SSD. Now, look, we could just sit here and list off a bunch of specs, but that's not what this is about. We're going to give you the brutally honest truth about what this drive actually feels like to use.
So, if you've been keeping an eye on the market, you might look at this and think, okay, I know this story. It's just another really fast drive, maybe a tiny bit quicker than the last one, right?
Well, you're dead wrong. This thing, it's more than that. It's a fundamental shift in how responsive your system can feel, and we're about to show you exactly why it's so much more than just a spec sheet. See, the story here really is about more than just raw speed. It's about the whole experience, how it completely changes your day-to-day workflow from the very second you boot up your machine. The moment you pull this thing out of the box, you can just feel it. The build quality is really substantial, and the heatsink version, it's sleek, it's low profile, and it's all about function. It's not some gaudy RGB monster trying to be the center of attention. It's built to do one job: perform. It just slots right into your PC or your PlayStation 5 with a satisfying little click. It's the definition of a set-it-and-forget-it upgrade. Okay, so let's get into the numbers, but we're only going to talk about the specs that actually matter. We're not just going to read them off the box. We're going to translate them into what you'll actually feel. The big headline number is, of course, the read speed, up to 7,450 megabytes per second. I mean, that's just an astronomical figure, but what does it really mean for you? Well, if you're a content creator, it means scrubbing through an 8K video timeline feels buttery smooth, no stutters. If you're a designer, it means those huge assets in Photoshop or Premiere just load instantly. And for all you gamers out there, load screens in massive open-world games like Starfield and Cyberpunk, they practically vanish. You're not waiting anymore, you're just in the game. And this is exactly where the 990 Pro belongs. We're talking a high-end gaming PC, a video editing workstation, a PS5. This drive's designed to just get out of the way, eliminate those bottlenecks, and let the rest of your system absolutely fly. But here's the secret. This is the thing most reviews just kind of gloss over. That crazy sequential speed is great for giant files, but the real magic, the thing that makes your entire system feel snappy every single second, is the random performance. We're talking up to 1.55 million IOPS. That stands for input-output operations per second. And that number right there is the real key to how responsive your computer feels. It means your operating system just feels alive. Applications launch in the blink of an eye. Multitasking between a dozen different things becomes completely effortless. Honestly, it's like your data is no longer stuck in rush hour traffic on a busy highway. You've just given it its own private Autobahn. But hey, no product is perfect, right? And a brutally honest review means we have to talk about the limitations. So let's get into the unvarnished truth. Okay, so the drive uses something called an SLC cache. Think of it like a small, ultra-fast buffer for sprinting. For almost everything you do, it's incredibly quick. But if you're transferring a truly massive file, we're talking hundreds of gigabytes all at once, that buffer can fill up. And when it does, the drive slows down to its marathon pace, which, to be fair, is still very, very fast. This isn't a flaw, it's just how the tech works. But let's be crystal clear about this. For 99% of you out there, from the most hardcore gamers to professional video editors, this is a total non-issue. You will probably never, ever run into a situation where this affects you in any real way. Now for something that almost nobody talks about, and it's a subtle but I think an incredibly important advantage this drive has. Let's talk about the efficiency edge. So compared to its predecessor, the 980 Pro, which was already a fantastic drive, the 990 Pro is up to 50% more power efficient. I mean, that is a massive leap forward. And why should you care about that? Well, for laptop users, it's simple, better battery life. For desktop users, it means less heat getting dumped into your case, which leads to a cooler and quieter system overall. It's one of those subtle benefits, but it's a really significant engineering win. Okay, time to bring it all home. How does the 990 Pro really stack up against its biggest rival? And what's the final verdict? Is this the one to get? So its main competition is the Western Digital SN850X. And look, the WD drive might be a tiny bit better for some really specific, super long write tasks. But the 990 Pro, it consistently takes the lead in that all-important random performance, the key to responsiveness. And when it comes to power efficiency, the 990 Pro is the clear, undeniable winner, which makes it the best choice for laptops, hands down. So the verdict is pretty simple, actually. If you're a gamer, a creator, a power user, if you're someone who just demands the absolute best in responsiveness and reliability from your machine, then this is an absolute buy.
Yeah, it's a premium product with a premium price tag, but it's such a worthy investment. It doesn't just make your computer faster, it makes it feel more responsive, more seamless, in literally everything you do. It elevates the entire experience.
So let's just end where we started. Is this drive overkill for someone who just browses the web and checks email? Yeah, absolutely. But is it just another fast SSD? After everything you've seen, the answer is a definitive, resounding no, absolutely not.